Welcome to Leading Forklift Parts Sharing Video. Today, I show you forklift driving axle parts. Driving axle shaft. Please look at these parts. We have a lot of axle shaft in stock. Driving axle shaft, also called half shaft, and also called semi-float axle shaft. The forklift axle shaft is installed in the driving axle housing. One shaft is at the right hand, the other shaft is at the left hand, and both shafts work independently. The supply end of half shaft is a fit-in differential of gearbox from which the shaft is driving. The phalanx end of the shaft is connected to the wheel hub and transmitting the driving torque to the wheel. The material of the half shaft is medium carbon alloy steel, 40 chrome. After heat treatment, it has a good low temperature impact toughness. Let's quickly review this forklift driving axle part. Axle shaft to transmitting driving torque to the wheel. Thank you very much for watching Leading Forklift Parts Sharing Video. For more information, please contact me. It's my pleasure to share more with you.